Yeah. Spokane, the oldest soldiers, taking you behind the doors, from the store to the shelf. Let's go. Step through the doors where the canopy glows. Deep in Spokane where the finest green grows. Cameras rolling on the frost and the cure. There's a method to the madness and the vision is pure. Caught the light shining down on the dragons like ice. When you see the operation, man, you won't think twice. From the veg to the flower, every room that we saw, it's that top shelf talent, no room for a flaw. We got the method, bringing it straight to Primo. Best in the valley, yeah. Everybody we know, from the grow room floors to the oldest store doors. If you're looking for that fire, we got what you're looking for. Yeah, it's method in Primo. Watch the video play. Serving up the freshest every single day. We took the tour so you know what's inside. Nothing to hide, just Pacific Northwest pride. Hand trim, heavy dialing in the perfect strain. Got the lobby TV showing off the whole lane. It's a partnership built on the quality drop. When the harvest is ready, you come straight to the shop. So watch the screen, see the roots and the leaves, then step up to the counter for the heat that you need. We got the method, bringing it straight to Primo. Best in the valley, everybody we know, from the grow room floors to the oldest store doors. If you're looking for that fire, we got what you're looking for. Yeah, it's method in Primo. Watch the video play. Serving up the freshest every single day. Straight out of Spokane. Method Cannabis on the shelves. Right now, Primo, stay lifted. Stay lifted.